Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to stop someone using your Spotify account. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So open your Spotify and click on your profile and click on account and select your account overview and scroll down all the way to the bottom, and here you'll find option sign out everywhere. This locks you out of Spotify everywhere you are logged in, including the mobile, tablet, web player and desktop apps. So you need to click on sign out everywhere. So that was the first option, and the second option, again log in into your account and again click on your profile, account, and now click on change password. And now you have to change your Spotify account password. So for that, enter here your current password and enter new password, repeat new password and tap on set new password. And after that, all of your logged account will be permanently removed. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.